Jonathan Roots. So I'm out here at a local nursery. I'm getting some soil to put out there on the garden. As y'all know, I do rows. I do raised beds instead of just having the soil or the plants directly even with the ground. I like to have them above so they don't get washed out in the rain. So anyway, yeah, I'm out here at I got old trusty Brownie with me. So we're about to get this, I think it's a yard or 2 yards of some soil put on the back of the truck. Now, can you believe they had the nerve to say, I don't know if the truck can carry it? Man, they over here trying to talk bad about old Brownie here. They don't know what I've had in the back of this truck. Yeah, he can carry it. She can carry it. I don't know if I'm going to make it a he or she. But anyway, Brownie can carry it.
Sorry about that. Keep getting the bucket on.
Alright, well, no problem, no problem. So yeah, they took the forks off, putting the bucket on so you can come over here and get the soil. So, you can see them back there. With the old skid steer. Now this is their second location, but prior to, at their first location, I used to get a load of this with my S10. It's just that I kept doing so much with it, I had to get old Brownie here, but I have an S10. I used to get a load of this, and the S10 would carry it. True enough, it'd be sagging, and the bumper almost be, kind of close to the ground, but hey, the old S10 would carry it. But yes, old Brownie here, old Kodiak will carry it, no problem. So, here he comes. He's coming over here. I'm just parked right here. I don't know if I'll need to back up or what. Say hello. Anyway, I don't know if I have to back up or what, but anyway, yeah, we're over here getting this load. So you see, there he goes. And this is a good price to have on it too. It's actually cheaper than it was at the first location, but they were on come on, man, leave that stuff on there. Come on, man, it's too much shaking. Oh my goodness. You over here acting like a spoon shaker for those of y'all that know. Anyway, yeah, at their previous location, it used to cost a little bit more. And when they first moved over here, it used to cost more. But yeah, now it's down to a pretty good price. So here he comes. Going on over here. Load up on old Brownie. I should have planned a little better because tomorrow I was planning on going to Madisonville to get some mushroom compost. But I might save that for next week. Let's see the squat that's on there. Let's see if old Brownie squat. So I see Brownie didn't barely even squat. And that's it. Alright, thank you very much. Alright, well that is it. So now we're gonna head on back to the house and start unloading it today, and I'll probably finish it. Well, not probably. I'll have to finish it in the morning. Alright, so where am I? I'm at Kim's Nursery. Alright. This is Kim's Nursery in Huntsville, Texas. They used to be on I-45, and now they're over here on, what street is this? On Lake Road. Let's see here. Yeah, right here on Lake Road. Right here on the corner of Windsor and Lake Road. Alright, well, I will see y'all when I get back to the house. So yeah, I could barely feel that soil on the back of the truck. Truck rolling just fine. the soil. But yeah, it shouldn't have said that. It's an old truck, not one of these new ones that can't carry anything. They might can pull something, but they can't carry.